Hello and welcome to Herald TV News Bulletin with me, Orina. The waters of South Goa pulled off a sensational victory for the India bloc. Captain Viriato Fernandes was victorious with around 14,703 votes when the leads last came in. Fernandes rightfully attributed the victory to the people, even as the BJP had put its full might into the campaign and Prime Minister Narendra Modi chose to have his massive rally at Sankwal, the home ground of Captain Viriato. Viriato polled 2,16,022 votes, a lead of 14,216 votes, while Pallavi Dempo of the NDA polled 2,01,806 votes in the eight-cornered contest.
Hello.
जशें सांगलां ही नॉट ओनली दक्षिण गोंयची पण आख्खे गोंयची जीत ही कॅप्टन विरियाटोची जीत न्ही ही लोकांची विक्ट्री.
Very good.
काँग्रेस पार्टीची इंडिया अलायन्साची विक्ट्री. जे लोकांचेर आमी म्हणटाले की अत्याचार जाल्लो आसा ह्या सरकाराचो, जावं ते टॅक्सीवाले भाव, मोटरसायकल पायलट, नुस्तेकार भाव, आमचे शेतकामती आसा, अनएम्प्लॉयड यूथ, ही तांची विक्ट्री. आणि हे पळय अलायन्स आसा, दे वील वर्क टुगेदर टू स्टॉप दीस नॉनसेन्स करप्शन जे चल्लेलें आसा पळय ते गोंय. हांव आमच्या पार्टीचे अध्यक्ष बाब अमित पाटकर, आमचो लिडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन बाब युरी आलेमांव, आमचो साऊथ गोवाचो कॅम्पेन चीफ जो आशिल्लो, खूब कश्ट काडले ताणें, आमचो बाब एल्टन डिकोस्टा, आमचे जे अलायन्स पार्टनरांचे MLA जे बाब क्रूज सिल्वा आसा, तशेंच आमचे फातोर्डेचे MLA बाब विजय सरदेसाय, आमचो कॅप्टन वेन्झी विएगस, हे सगळे तांकां हांव देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. सगळे गोंयच्या लोकांक जे भायर येवन हे सगळे ही कॅम्पेन फुडें व्हेली, म्हाका दिसता हांव सदांच तांचो आभारी आसतलो. आय एम इन डेट ऑफ द पीपल ऑफ गोवा. सगळ्यांक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा.
With very little organization at the constituency level after the 8 MLAs defected to the BJP, the South Goa parliamentary constituency victory was a huge morale booster to the Congress in particular and the India bloc in general. The celebrations began when it became clear to the India bloc that the lead was unassailable.
5 जाणांनी आमी against 15 MLAs and practically the whole cabinet, जावं chief minister, जावं money power, muscle power, government machinery आणि आमचे मध्ये फूट घालपाक जो प्रयत्न ह्या BJP सरकारान केलो, गोंयकारांक डिवायड करपाक ऑन द बेसीस टू क्रिस्तांव, टू हिंदू, टू मुसलमान, आमकां डिवायड करपाक दिस डिवायसिव पॉलिटिक्स I believe has been shown the door. We are quite confident. We were always confident that we would retain South. We have also, if you see the overall picture of the country today, overall picture of the country is the figures that are being given to the India Alliance, and there is a chance also that we would form the government in Delhi. But this एक सारखे warning, and this is a blessing, I believe, to आमी तिगाय आमदार. We were under so much of pressure. खास करून हांव सांगपाक सोदता, कुंकोलीम has given one of the highest leads ever in the Lok Sabha election of almost 5,500 votes. आणि हांव खास करून सगळे आमच्या दक्षिण गोंयच्या जनतेक तशेंच गोंयकारांक परबी दिता, because no wonder this is the biggest festival of democracy. आणि खास करून काँग्रेस पक्षान आणि दुसरे जावं आम आदमी, जावं गोवा फॉरवर्ड, दुसरे सगळे आमी बराबर रावन आमी दाखोवन दिले की गोवन्स कॅनॉट बी डिवायडेड ऑन रिलिजियस लायन्स. हे नॉन स्टेट एक्टर जे हिंगा येवन आमचे मध्ये डिवायड करपाचो प्रयत्न केला, दिस इज अ स्लॅप ऑन देयर फेस.
Beating the anti-incumbency factor, NDA North Goa candidate Shripad Naik won the North Goa parliamentary seat for the 6th time, beating anti-incumbency. Naik polled 2,53,812 votes and gained a lead of 1,13,621 votes over Ramakant Kalap of the India Bloc, who polled 1,40,191 in an 8-cornered contest.
विक्ट्री ही उत्तर गोव्याची जनता वोटर्स हांची ही विक्ट्री आसा आनी ताचे श्रेय सगळ्या आमच्या उत्तर गोव्याच्या मतदारसंघाक आसा. आमचे कार्यकर्ते, आमचे सगळ्या पार्टीचे ऑफिस बेरर, पार्टीचे कार्यकर्ते हांगा सगळ्यांनी दिसले आसा. कारण तांच्या प्रयत्नामुळे एकदम सगळ्यांना निवडून येवपाचो हो एक जाला तांच्यामुळे जाला आणि तांचे सेवेक आमी सदांच उत्तर गोव्याच्या मतदारसंघाचे सेवेत आमी सदांच आसतले. जो जो कितें विकास करपाक जाय हो राज्य सरकारा बरोबर करता.
सावथ गोवाचे तुमचे सीट
मातशे इल्लेशे फाटी पडले 10,000 फाटी पडले अशें दिसता. फायनल तरी येवना पण कार्यकर्त्यांनी आणि मतदारांनी जे काही पार्टी कितले पर्यंत व्हेले जिखपाचे हाजे पर्यंत व्हेले त्या बद्दल कार्यकर्त्यांचो खूब आभारी आसा. कारण ताणें भारतीय जनता पक्षाची पकड खंय तरी निसट्ट विजय हे जाल्लो आसा, जो दुसऱ्याचो जाल्लो आसा तो. पण हाज्या फुडें आमी सदांच त्या मतदारसंघाच्या विकासाकय आमचो हल्ल्या म्हणून फाटी रावचे. राज्य सरकारान आमी त्या मतदारसंघाचो विकास करतले आनी फुडल्या फावटी निश्चितपणे आमी विजय प्राप्त.
भारतीय जनता पार्टीच्या वतीन आम्ही श्रीपाद भाऊ हांची मोठ्या म्हणजे 1 लाखापेक्षा चड मार्जिनान तो आमी सांगलेलो तसो नॉर्थ गोवा सीट जिंकले. हांव समेस्त गोंयकारांचे आभार व्यक्त करता. सावथ गोवाचो सीट आमी अवघ्या मार्जिनान 10,000च्या आसपास मार्जिनान आमी सीट हारले. पण तरी सुद्दां जो रिजल्ट आयलो तो आमकां मान्य आसा. आमी लोकमत जे आसा हे लोकांचे आमी एक्सेप्ट करता आणि लोकांचे आभार मानता. परत एकदा आमकां उत्तर गोंयांतल्यान मोठो विजय मेळ्ळ्या बद्दल समेस्त गोंयकारांचो हांव आभार व्यक्त करता. आणि सुरळीत गोंयच्या विकासात ज्या पद्दतीन सरकार वयर डबल इंजिनचेर येवपाचें आसा, जरी बाकीच्या कोणी जरी कितें म्हटलें आसत जाल्यार आमी सरकार हे मोदीजीचेर सरकार केंद्रात आसतलें आणि राज्यांत डबल इंजिनचें सरकार आसतलें. लोकांनी एक सीट निवडून येयलो म्हणून भारावन वयचें न्ही इतकेंच फक्त हांव सांगता आणि परत एकदा गोंयकारांचे आभार व्यक्त.
The Sholem MLA Delilah Lobo, who switched from the Congress to the BJP, was relieved to have a 2,131 vote lead in her constituency for NDA's North Goa candidate Shripad Naik. She admitted that some BJP workers had worked against the party in the North Goa parliamentary elections. Otherwise, the lead would have been at least over 5,000 votes.
2,131 is the lead in Sholi constituency for Shripad Naik, and I really thank all my ward members, all my supporters, all my karyakartas and all my voters for coming out in large numbers and voting for Shripad Naik.
ओके, तुम्ही पार्टी स्विच करून आलेले पण डिफिकल्ट झाले?
कांयच जावंक ना डिफिकल्ट. आय मीन वी वर्कड हार्ड फॉर इट.
सो हातून बीजेपीच्या कांय लोकांनी बीन श्रीपादच्या अगेन्स्ट काम केलं असे बोवाळ चलतालो शिवाय
ते आमी आमच्या सीएमाक प्रेसिडेंटाक सांगतली
खरें केला अशें
इट लुक्स लायक
म्हणून
लीड कमी जाल्या. अदरवायज इट वूड हॅव बीन टचिंग 5,000 लीड. माय से
इवन आरजी इज डुईंग वेल. कितें रिजन कितें
yeah, for my during my election also he had RG had got around 3,500.
सो
त्याने मेंटेन केलं.
बीजेपीची काय मतं स्विच काँग्रेसीक जाली म्हणटा तुम्ही काँग्रेस कॅन्डिडेट?
It looks like no. Otherwise, BJP votes and my votes, the lead should have been there to 5,000 to 6,000 lead.
Okay.
It has happened. We will inform the CM. I have already informed the BJP president during the before the election. Before the election, I had informed Shripad Naik also, candidate. I had informed the BJP president also. They should put survey, do a survey in actually each and every constituency. I am telling you, they should do a survey in each and constituency. Central government should do a survey and find out the facts.
मॅडम आता ओवरऑल सेंट्रली पळयत जाल्यार ते 400 पार म्हणटाले पळय ते 400 पार दिसना.
That I cannot tell about full of India, but my constituency I will tell.
सो टॉकिंग अबाउट युअर कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी ओनली मॅडम, जी तुम्ही म्हणता की काय बीजेपीचे सिनियर लिडर्सांनी काम करूंक नाका?
No comments.
No comments on
Yeah,
that?
thank you.
Okay.
Yes, whose is this? Thank you.
The 2024 parliamentary elections were a major setback from those who defected from South Goa to the Congress and to those who supported the BJP. In the Digambar Kamat's constituency, the NDA candidate Pallavi Dempo led by 86 votes. While in Alesh Sequeira's constituency, Nuve, and in Kurturi, where Alesh Reginaldo supported BJP, Pallavi trailed. Even Chief Minister Pramod Sawant had visited Moti Dongor on the day of voting.
Ultimately, it was my assessment. We worked hard. We make an assessment. Based on that, I was saying that the people's mandate ultimately it is silent voting. They do not know who voting for this.
सर मडगाव तुमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीन मडगाव सामके कमी झाले
86 लीड फक्त 86
It is in now Himachal district. So the lead is 1,000.
आता रिकाउंटिंग मागले पडते
ना 1,200 म्हणजे त्यांची कॅल्क्युलेशन आहे की तरी म्हाका तांणी सकाळी शीट दिल्ली त्या प्रमाणे 1,223 लीड.
सारखे खंय कमी पडले काय दिसता कित्याक व्हडले व्हडले मिनिस्टर सुद्दां येयल्ले सेंट्रल मोदी प्रचाराक सुद्दां मोदी सुद्दां येयल्ले मडगाव साऊथ गोवा न्हू साऊथ गोवाक थंयच्यान
एअरपोर्टाकडे जालो.
हय मग साऊथ गोवाक पडले न्हू ते
अरे लोक डिसायड करता की लोकांचे कितें करता लोकांक तुजें कांय चलना न्ही डेमोक्रेसी भितर पिपल्स ओपिनियन इज सुप्रीम एंड वी हॅव टू रिस्पेक्ट पिपल्स ओपिनियन. हे मागीर दिगंबर
स्विच जाल्यार बी म्हणून बेजार जाल्यार स्विच जाले म्हणून थोडी काँग्रेस सोडून बीजेपीन जॉइन जाले तेजे खातीर बेजार जाले
लोक साऊथ गोवाचे
सर अनेक तुमचे एमसीसी व्हायलेट केलं म्हणजे केस केली ती
हय गिरीश सोडूनकर नाही
हांव आज सकाळी कावन्सील होला
तुम्ही वचोंक ना
हांव खंय वचना कावन्सील कशें वचन कावन्सील हांवच ना हें
तेंच्यानी बेश्टेच केला असेल
कोण जाणा म्हज्या बजेट कोणी दिसला आसता.
आणि एवरीबडी इज टॉकिंग अबाउट मारगांव व्हॉट वेंट रॉंग तुमची लीड इतली कमी मॅडम.
I accept people's mandate with humility. That is what. And that's because ultimately it is people who decide the fate of anybody.
नो बिकॉज काल देखून तुमचं एक स्टेटमेंट आशिल्लो
No, no. We worked hard. What's the assessment आशिल्लो? It's not my assessment. I was thinking that we should get around, we will win around 25,000. People ultimately when you open the boxes, we got the mandate. So we accept.
And it is not only मारगांव सर सांग्या पळय
No, whatever
वास्को
it
पळय
is, we accept people's mandate. That party will introspect.
सर खंय चुकल्या
रिव्हर्स पोलरायझेशन हॅज अफेक्टेड देम. डू यू ऑल्सो
I don't want to comment anything on other things except that it is people's mandate which we accept with humility.
सर विजयान खंय तरी तुमकां चॅलेंज केला तुमचे
हांव ताजे हाजेर हांव रिएक्ट करपाक वचूना.
कॅन्डिडेट सिलेक्शना भितर आनी मातसो विचार करतात.
Candidate is selected by the party leader.
In a late twist to the polls, BJP demanded a full recount of the South Goa parliamentary polls. The application for the same is pending before the South Goa district collector, who is the returning officer. While the Congress was jittery about the recount demand, the South Goa collector clarified that the issue of recounting would not be taken up now.
The BJP has demanded a recount of the South Goa parliamentary polls. The move was prompted after India candidate Virieto Fernandes was leading. The application is pending before the South Goa district collector. Sources revealed that the recount would be a randomized selection of EVMs. The first demand started with the trends in Navelim Assembly constituency. Congressmen are waiting and watching to see how this unfolds. The South Goa district collector said if recounting happened, it would be after all counting is over. Bureau Report, Herald TV.
The NDA candidate Pallavi Dempo lost in 7 of the 8 South Goa constituencies. The only constituency Dempo won was in the Digambar Kamat's Margaon constituency with a slender margin of 86 votes.
The NDA candidate Pallavi Dempo lost in 7 of the 8 South Goa constituencies. Dempo lost in Kortlim, Novem, Kurtorim, Fatorda, and Benolim. She also lost in Kunkolim, Velim, Kepem, and Navelim, where there is a sitting BJP candidate in the person of Ulhas Tuinkar. In all, Dempo won in 11 assembly constituencies of South Goa. She ended up with a total of 2,01,396 votes. While India bloc's Virieto Fernandes won in 9 assembly constituencies of South Goa. He ended up with a total of 2,13,678 votes. Bureau Report, Herald TV.
The BJP has gone into a huddle after its shock defeat in South Goa parliamentary constituency, where they'd even used the might of the talisman Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The victory of North Goa candidate Shripad Naik was dwarfed by the BJP's defeat in South Goa. How is the BJP taking the South Goa defeat? Listen in.
Government or active in this election have started coming into the
blame game where the core BJP will start pointing fingers at the turncoat MLAs and blaming them.
In fact, that has that has already started. That is what I can say, because there are murmurs going on that this the importing of MLAs by BJP from Congress has not worked for them. Has not worked for them in favor is what can be seen, and given the amount of lead that the Nuve constituency has given to the Congress candidate, that also has backfired on the
Kurturi
BJP.
constituency. Also, there has been an 8,400 vote lead that the Congress has got.
That is unprecedented, is what could be seen, because Kurturi MLA was supporting the current government dispensation. It was being said that Kurturi will not stand with BJP anyways. But the number that is seen right now speaks about the anger that has come out. The anger has come out from the voting franchise is what can be seen, and also there are murmurs going on. There are talks going on that somebody may lose something in this entire exercise, where the South Goa BJP has not managed to secure. So some MLA, some minister may have to lose their seat, lose their berth.
She went from temple to temple. She did a huge temple hopping exercise in the first 10 to 15 days or more of a campaign. One could see people like Reginald and as well as Alice Sequeira actually accompanying her to different places and very much putting themselves right up in the forefront as supporters. Maybe that probably kind of upset or angered their core vote bank.
Could be that this has upset the core vote bank, and also the voters who may have thought of sticking with BJP this time this last time. They may have also moved away from BJP because of the too much of in fact, while talking to some of the leaders, it was also some of the leaders and the party workers, they have also said that the religion and the entire the religion campaign that happened was taken a little bit too far, and people may have not liked it. The sound-minded people, the people who think that voting is a democratic franchise, may have not liked this, and the result of there is one more factor that came out especially in the Margao voting pattern is the BJP assumed that the lower middle class and the lower class would stay with them, but I could tell you by the figures of the voting that have come out from Margao, the areas like Moti Dongar, Azad Nagari have completely gone out of BJP's hand, which used to be with Digambar and some time ago.
What does this say about Digambar Kamat's future?
Right now, all I can say is he's right now lodged into the BJP party office for last 40 minutes. There's a long discussion going on. But there were rumors that Digambar may be claiming to become the chief minister or so, or a higher position in the BJP. But that dampens his entire plan of claiming of anything. In fact, he will have to save himself right now in this kind of situation, because BJP has taken this loss in South Goa very seriously, given the amount of pressure they are putting for recounting.
And, thank you very much for this
also
discussion.
the meetings that they are holding.
The South Goa defeat has caused such a big dampener that they may not even celebrate Narendra Modi's overall national victory as well.
The bravado of the BJP's mighty Lok Sabha campaign and the rancor of the exit polls has sobered down when the leads and results came in on June 4th, the Judgment Day. BJP, which had the slogan of 400 par, 400 plus, as the NDA leading in 291 constituencies, while the India bloc is leading in 233 constituencies, while others are leading in 19 constituencies. The India bloc said they would meet on Wednesday and all options were open for them, including approaching the JDU and the TDP for support.
लोग लड्डू बांट रहे, समाजवादी पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता अभी से इतने खुश हैं कि मिठाइयाँ बांटकर जश्न मना रहे हैं। ये तमाम ये लड्डू फेंक के नहीं खाने पड़े।
I think India Alliance is meeting tomorrow. These options cannot be ruled out. Whether India Alliance decides to make a pitch to Chandrababu Naidu and Nitish Kumar depends on the leaders when they meet there tomorrow. But this is not impossible. This is not unthinkable. Such things have happened before.
Mismanagement in appointing the staff for counting of votes raised uproar amongst the teachers who were called for counting duty and later sent home with no proper prior notice. Maximum teachers were told that their names had been deleted from the list when they arrived at the counting centre in Panjim. This left them sorely unhappy.
आणि हेंचे सामकें मिसमॅनेजमेंट आसा न्हू, तांकां खबर सुद्दां ना खंयचो स्टाफ येवपाचो, कितलो रिजर्व हाडपा जाय, कितें आसा तांकां कांयच ना ब्रेकफास्टाची सारकी सोय केल्या तेंच्यांनी, ना कसलीच बसपाची केली. सो अशें तेंचें चल्लां. कितलो स्टाफ आसा आमचो आतां जवळ जवळ लास्ट मिनीट कॅन्सल केला, म्हणजे SMS ना, इंटिमेशन कसलेंच ना. हांगा एकूच सांगलां की कॅन्सल ड्युटी. जवळ जवळ 70 एक स्टाफ आसतलो, तितून चडसो टिचींग स्टाफ आसा. सो आयज स्कुलां स्टार्ट जाल्ल्या कारणान दॅट इज ऑल्सो अफेक्टेड.
तुमकां दिसता की अरेंजमेंट सारकी करूंक ना?
अरेंजमेंट मात्तूय सारकी ना.
ब्रेकफास्टूय दिवंक नाशिल्लो सकाळी.
ब्रेकफास्टाकूय प्रॉब्लम जाल्लो, लास्ट मिनीट व्हडली क्यू आसली, मागीर सांगलें की सगळो ब्रेकफास्ट सोंपलो म्हणून. आनी अशेंच तेंचें मिसमॅनेजमेंट जालें. आतां कितले वेळ हांगा बसून सकाळच्यान तुमी पळयलां आसतलें, आमी मागीर तांकां आफोवन हाडले. महालिंगम जो आसा ताका आमी आफोवन हाडलो. तो भितर वचून विचारता म्हणसर आनीक टायम काडटा. सो आमी ताका सांगलें की आमचे इश्यूज एड्रेस करा पयलीं. तें कितें तरी चल्लां, आजुनूय तें क्लियर ना कितें करता. स्टाफ आर एज फार एज फ्रॉम वालपय, इंटिरियर्स ऑफ वालपय तसो सुद्दां स्टाफ आसा, बिचोलेचो स्टाफ आसा, आनी तशे भितरले भितरले खूब जाण स्टाफ आसा. प्रथमेश साखळकर.
आता तेंच्या उलोवप कितें जालां आनी कितें एग्री केलां तेंच्यांनी? उलोवप कितें जालां आनी
आतां आजुनूय ते चलता. ते कितें तरी एक बेश्टे नांवां आमची बरोवन घेता. वदळच्यान ते सांगताले की तुमचे ID कार्ड तुमचे दाखया म्हणून. थंय ID कार्डाचेर काय जायना न्हू, डॉक्युमेंट एक लागता बाबा एटेंडन्साचो, ते दिवपा रेडी ना. आतां कितें तरी चल्लां. आतां आमी जेन्ना रिक्वेस्ट केली तांकां तेन्ना ते अग्री जाल्या की फक्त तांकां बरोवन दिता. सो दे आर नॉट स्टील शुअर. TADAचे तर ते अजून काय सांगूंकच ना.
Heavy rains lashed the state on Tuesday at the counting centres in Panjim and Margao, also causing havoc across the state. The staff appointed for counting of votes bore the brunt of the downpour. Not only the counting centres but many places in Goa face waterlogging and heavy traffic congestion.
Heavy rains lashed over the north and south Goa on Tuesday, bringing respite to the land. These rains along with gusty winds posed a hindrance at the counting centres. The staff appointed for counting of votes and security personnel experienced the wrath of the rains. On the Panjim bridge, traffic was halted due to flooding. The lack of space for rainwater outlet caused the water to accumulate that led to traffic congestion with few two-wheelers ceasing to function. Many two-wheeler riders faced problems as their vehicles stopped operating in the middle of the bridge, adding a barrier to the congestion.
With the clear victory of the Congress in South Goa, Goa Forward Party Chief Vijay Sardesai spoke about his closure with the Congress. He further highlighted that the victory is people's victory and not ours. as they are the ones who have taken the initiative to step forward to vote. This is the vote against defection and vote against corruption, he added, while sticking with the Congress.
इंडिया अलायन्स म्हणटा तेंचे कितें केलां हे इंडिया अलायन्स बरोबर रावतले हे गोंयाक न्याय दिवंक पावतले आनी आमी घडयल्ले कित्याक नॅशनल लेवलाचेर कित्याक घडयलेलें कित्याक हें संविधान राखपाक आनी लोकशाही राखपाक लोकशाही आनी संविधान राखपाचें आमचें कर्तव्य जातलें आमी हें राखतले at every given level from ग्राम पंचायत पंच level to the assembly and to the parliament थंय पावपाक एक एक्टिविस्ट आहा जो जाका सर्विसेसान काम केल्लें म्हळ्यार आर्म्ड फोर्सिसान काम करपी मनीस आहा जो थंय अन्याय जाता जाल्यार गैर करपाक आसतलो हें म्हाका खात्री आहा आनी आमी हें अलायन्स राखून दवरतले आनी गोंयकारांक न्याय दितले म्हळ्यार सावथ गोंयचे जनतेचे आमी सगळे एक जाले आसात म्हाका दिसता लोकांचें हें जैत लोकांनी फुडाकार घेतलो आनी लोक आज जिखिल्ले आहा आमी हांगा दामबाबाच्या स्थळान आहा मडगांवान आहा मठग्रामान आहा मडगांवान जें कितें जालां तें म्हाका दिसता दामबाबान दाखयल्लें आहा की दामबाब मडगांवकारा बरोबर आहा दामबाब जो मनीस आपल्या कडेन उलयता म्हूण सांगता आनी देवाचे फुडें फटी मारता ताजे बरोबर ना हें क्लियर कट दाखयलेलें आहा आतां तें फुडें कितें जालें तें कशें जालें हें तुमी ताकाच विचारात बाब दिगंबर कामतीक विचारा कित्याक ताका तें पोस्टमॉर्टम बी करपाची संवय बरी आहा तो तुमकां सांगतलो अशें जालें तशें जालें पर्संटेज आमचो वाडलो आनी कोणें कितें केलें पूण एक क्लियर कट आहा की दीस इज अ वोट अगेन्स्ट डिफेक्शन एंड वोट अगेन्स्ट करप्शन एक भ्रश्ट सरकार जो दुसरो पॉलिटिकल पार्टी फोडटा जो लोकशाही काबार करूंक सोदता जो तुमी प्रेस मॅनेज करता जो एक्झिट पोल मॅनेज करता जे लोकांचे ओपिनियन पसून चेंज करूंक सोदता ह्या सरकाराक हो धडो शिकयल्लो आहा.
After the 2-month-long summer vacation, schools across the state reopened on Tuesday for the new academic year 24-25. From this year, NEP 2020 in Class 9 will be implemented. Similarly, some schools will be adding 25 minutes to their timings from Class 5th to the 10th. The schools opened despite the fact that counting was slated for the same day.
एज कॉम्पिटिटीव एज कॉम्पिटिशन आसता आनी त्या खातीर भुरग्यांनी कॉम्पिटिशनाचेर हितून न पडटा आपलो परफॉर्मन्स बेस्ट करता आपूण कितें नवीन स्किल्स डेवलप करता ह्या वर्सा नागुवेक राष्ट्रीय शैक्षणीक धोरण इम्प्लिमेंट जालें आसा त्या दृश्टीन भुरग्यांक नवीन नवीन आयाम हे शिकपाक मेळटले आसा त्या खातीर परत एकदां हांव सगळ्या भुरग्यांक शुभेच्छा व्यक्त करता आनी ह्या वर्सा तुमचें भरभराट केलं वचें खूब नवीन नवीन तुमी गजाली शिकच्यो.
That's all we have in today's news bulletin. Thanks for watching Herald TV News. For more news and alerts, please follow us on Heraldo on Facebook and Twitter. Take care and goodbye.